University Housing at the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater offers housing for approximately 4,000 students. We offer a plethora of different housing options, such as traditional double rooms, single rooms, suite style, apartments, and our new residence hall features pod-style rooms.
All incoming students must submit one of these two documents, a housing contract or an application for exemption.
To live on campus, you must complete a housing contract. There are 3 steps.
Step 1. You must complete your contract at uww.edu/housing.
Step 2. You must print and sign the contract. Read the entire contract prior to completion. If you are under 18, a parent or guardian signature is required.
Step 3. Submit the signed housing contract and a $125 deposit. The deposit is fully refundable if a written cancellation letter is received prior to the date listed on the housing website. Checks can be made payable to UW-Whitewater.
In early October, the housing contracts will be accessible on the housing website. It is highly recommended that students should submit housing contracts and a deposit as soon as possible. After a student is admitted, hall preferences are honored based on the date that the contract and deposit were received and not on the admission date.
All students are required to live in the residence halls their first and second years on campus, unless they qualify for an exemption.
Students may qualify for a housing exemption if they meet one of the following criteria.
Statistics show that students who live in the residence halls are more likely to stay in school and eventually complete their degree.
In every residence hall, there is a live-in staff. Complex directors, or CDs, are full-time professionals that have earned their master's degree. There are also assistant complex directors, known as ACDs. The Residential Learning Advisor, or RLA, are current graduate assistants working on their master's degree.
Resident assistants, or RAs, are full-time students who live in the halls to promote community and safety through programming and other engagement opportunities. They are able to assist the complex directors and assistant complex directors with all operations.
The Leadership Involvement Team, otherwise known as LIT, plans and facilitates programs for residents in their halls. They are a forum for residents to share ideas and concerns advised by the assistant complex director in each residence hall.
Volunteer positions on the Leadership Involvement Team include meeting facilitator, social media coordinator, finance coordinator, program coordinator, eco coordinator, Jitters representative, Residence Hall Association representative, and more.
Each residence hall has a front desk staffed by students. The front desk offers items that can be checked out, including board games, kitchen equipment, and sporting goods.
Students are expected to clean their own rooms. The front desk offers vacuums that can be checked out and provides free garbage bags.
This can also be where residents can send and receive mail.
In each residence hall, there are a variety of basement amenities. These include big screen TVs, kitchens, vending machines, computer labs, laundry rooms, pool tables, foosball or air hockey tables, and ping pong tables. The fitness center is located in the basement of Wells West, and Jitters Coffee Lounge is located on the first floor of Wells East.
For safety and security purposes, all doors are locked 24/7.
Throughout the night, an RA, CSO, or student staff member is on call for any resident needs.
Programming is implemented throughout the halls to ensure security and safety.
There are various living options available to students living in the residence halls. One of them is learning communities. There are 39 learning communities here at UW-Whitewater. They are made up of 25 students that live together, take courses together, and have a faculty or staff member in their area of interest to lead them minimally through their first semester.
Additional living options include quiet lifestyle floors, substance-free floors, global village, and a wellness building.
Academic support is also in place in the resident halls. Through campus partnerships, academic advising, career advising, and tutoring are offered, as well as a survey called the New Student Assessment Information gauging student interest in programming from this survey is then given to the RAs and LIT members to put on programs.
There are several employment opportunities available to students living on campus. One of them is being a resident assistant, which you can apply for after completing 9 post-high school credits.
Other opportunities include front desk workers, Goodhue front desk workers, custodial staff, residential computing, diversity advocates, conduct board, and UW-TV. All of this information can be found on the University Housing website.
UW-Whitewater Dining Services offers a broad selection of delicious and nutritious meal options, ranging from crowd-pleasing favorites to regional specialties to a variety of heart-healthy recipes. Dining Services offers 16 different campus locations opening at 7 a.m. and closing at 1 a.m. with a variety of exciting concepts. Across campus, you will find many grab-and-go meal options, which regularly feature a rotation of limited-time offers, or LTOs. The residential dining program features Dremlin and Esker Dining Hall, or 2 all-you-care-to-eat facilities conveniently located near campus residence halls, providing a vibrant, energetic place where friends meet to learn, eat, relax, and socialize. In each dining hall, you can find various dining stations that rotate daily, utilizing the freshest local and regional ingredients. You can find a dynamic variety of menu options that emphasize home favorites, fresh salad bar offerings, rotating grill items, traditional and specialty pizza options, customizable options, delicious desserts, and so much more. Foundations is a station that provides a selection of allergen-free, fresh, and wholesome ingredients that can be assembled and customized to meet individual preferences, nutritional goals, and portion sizes. Each dining facility also has a late-night convenience store that provides a variety of good-to-go items for our students' busy schedules. You can find a campus favorite, Herbert & Gerbert's sandwich shop, that delivers total flavor satisfaction as well in each of our dining halls. Each dining location has updated weekly menus offered online where you preview the menu to better plan your meals. The online menu allows students to see our vegan and vegetarian options along with allergens and calorie counts. We know wellness is important to our students. UW-Whitewater is proud to provide a robust wellness program across campus. We have a full-time registered dietitian nutritionist dedicated to providing nutrition counseling to students, faculty, and staff. In addition, they lead many engaging wellness and nutrition educational initiatives across campus. If you need to reach out to our dietitian, you can fill out a form online and schedule a one-on-one with her at any time. Throughout the month, you will find special culinary and themed events across campus. A student favorite is our semesterly late-night breakfast to help students gear up for finals. To stay up to date with our upcoming events and specials, make sure to be following our social media pages.
The newest residence hall opened in the fall of 2019. Standing 6 stories high, it houses 410 residents. It is open to first-year and upperclassmen students and has a pod-style room layout.
A model room is located on the first floor of Goodhue Hall. It is open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
University housing at the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater, where students live, learn, and engage.